Welcome to the Animalies Fruit Series 2 in the Alphabet Pre-Kids School.
A. Amulet of Air.
B. Bubble wand.
C. Crystal compass.
A. Aurora Cave. B. Bubble Bridge. C. Cotton Candy Cloud. A is for Artist Ant.
B is for Baker Bunny.
C is for Carpenter Cat.
A. Angry apple face.
B. A bashful banana.
C. A cheerful cherry.
A is for apple. Breath. Pick it up. Take a bite.
A is for apple, red and bright.
A is for apple, ant, and adventure.
B is for bear, bluebird, and bounce.
Can you guess which fruit is red, round, and starts with A?
Welcome to the world of A!
It's the letter A. Big A and small a. Ooh, A is for apple. It's A. A is for apple.
A is for apple, bright and sweet. Learning letters is such a treat. Oh, look at the apples! They're going into the basket.
A says A for apple. Let's keep learning ABCs with Pre-Kids School.
A is for apple.
Can you guess which yummy yellow fruit starts with B?
Welcome to the world of B.
It's B. B is for banana. B says boo. B for banana. Let's learn more ABC fruits with Pre-Kids School.
B is for banana, long and sweet. Peel it and eat it. What a treat! Bananas can make a triangle too.
Triangle, triangle, pointy, bright. Banana shapes are pure delight. B is for banana. B is for triangle. B is beautiful. B is for balloon.
B, balloon in the sky. Up it goes, oh so high. Look, balloons make a big bright B.
B is for balloon. Big, bright, and full of fun. Which tiny, shiny red fruit starts with C? Can you guess? It's C. C is for cherry. C says coo. C for cherry. Let's learn more ABC fruits with Pre-Kids School.